So Halloween is coming up, but you don't have a costume yet because you're a lazy piece of shit, just like I am. And you don't want to spend 50 bucks for just one night, right? But you still want to look cool. I got 5 tips for you. First thing you can do for Halloween 2018 is to disappoint your mom, get some face tats and become a SoundCloud rapper. You can be Lil Pump, you can be 6ix9ine, you can be Post Malone and get a barbed wire across your forehead. The possibilities are endless. You're just gonna need a rainbow or dreadlock wig, someone to paint on your face, your worst outfit and maybe some lean cups and you're pretty much good to go. Tip number 2 is to become Marshmello. Not a marshmallow, but Marshmello, the DJ. He's got some songs on the radio, I'm sure you heard some of them, and you're just gonna need a white bucket and some creativity. You wanna go for a signature outfit and dress up all white. White sneakers, white pants, white long sleeve and your paint shop bucket, and you can go undercover as one of the coolest DJs out there. Tip number 3 is to become your favorite Instagram influencer. I mean, just throw on some shades, hop into a jacket that screams I do yoga and pretty much glue your smartphone to your hand. Just go around and greet everyone by just saying hey guys, even if it's just a single person. You can even sell your detox tea and go around and leave your discount code for 20% off. Make sure to carry around a Starbucks cup and you're gonna have the outfit of the day. See what I did there? There's another way to use Starbucks cups. You can dress up as a barista, which works especially well if you're being the barkeeper at the party. Make sure you're being overly friendly and ask for their name when they order a drink, only to give them back your creative version of their name. So what goes with influencers and Starbucks? Right, avocado. Now to be honest, not everyone can pull this off. You need to be curvy. Just get a big piece of cardboard, do an avocado shape, paint it green and leave a hole for your belly and show some pride, bitch. Now if avocado showed us one thing, it's that fat can be healthy, so consider picking this outfit. I hope you found some inspiration during this video. If you did, leave a like down below and make sure to check out our Halloween party, which is linked down below. If you want to come, I'd be happy to see you in your outfits. See you there. Bye bye.